Your pasta nuova, your new pasta.
Wow! This is the first time I'm seeing it. We ordered it right in the summer.
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's beautiful. Look at this.
Yes. It's a pasta with Senatore Cappelli flour, that is Asian flour, organic.
So I have wanted
Selection.
to offer this flour for about 10 years now.
Yeah.
I think I started writing about it in my books. I wrote about it in this book about 7 years ago because Senatore Cappelli flour has so many great nutritional benefits. It's naturally low in gluten. It's got magnesium, potassium, trace minerals in it, B vitamins, and they slow dry it so it keeps all the nutrients. They use bronze dyes so it just holds its shape. And these are the maccheroni pugliesi, so they're kind of like an elongated fusilli, and they're going to be really nice.
They're wonderful for any pesto, any with the broccoli, and pecorino romano, like so many other recipes. So cannot wait to try.
Me either. Thank you all so much. So check these out at Lifestyle and also at d'Italia.com.